Guess who's back?
Yeah.
Favorite dynamic duo. Again with another mini nutrition and cooking lesson. So today,
we are covering two simple questions. How do you rinse and prepare dry beans? And should you peel sweet potatoes or not when you cook them?
that's a good question. But the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually have to rinse the dry beans in water.
Make sure you pick out all the bad ones at any point in time to make sure you don't have any ones that are spoiled or rotten.
I feel like that's good.
You drain them out and pour them in and just cover them barely with water.
Okay. And the good thing is you let them cover for about 8 to 12 hours overnight, and it's just gonna expand, it's gonna soak in the water. And the one thing about the beans is they're affordable. They are also very high in fiber, so it's always good to have a nice, rich, delicious meal, right? Right?
I believe so.
Okay. All right, so it's been about 12 hours now. We're just gonna transfer, well, first we're gonna drain the beans and then we're gonna rinse it off, which we've done. And then we're gonna pour the beans in a pot and cover it with
about a little bit of water just to cover over the top. And after that, we're gonna cover it with a lid and bring it to a boil. After that, depending on the type of bean and depending on how many you got, they take anywhere between 45 minutes to about an hour and a half to complete. And pretty much that's it. It's pretty quick and simple, easy thing to do.
Yeah. And realistically, beans of any type is an excellent source of fiber. So 1 cup can contain up to about 15 grams of fiber. That's really good because typically you need about 28 to 32 grams of fiber per day in the US, and this right here is 15. So, you know, yeah, go for it.
That's a good way to say it. Huh? But regardless of the fact, beans can help you stay full longer in general as well. And also it gives you a good source of sugar as well too. So it keeps you full, keeps you lasting, makes you get those goals you're trying to attain, especially when it's kind of get that summer body you want. So I think at this point in time, I think that's about it.
Yeah. Okay, question of the century. Sweet potatoes, to peel or not to peel?
So for me, it's to not peel.
Okay.
The skin on the sweet potato has many minerals and vitamins as well as antioxidants that we all need for the body. The antioxidants that we're concerned about are primarily carotenoids, which are good for skin as well as vitamin A. They help out your complexion.
That's good. But also, if you do peel the skin off, you are losing a lot of that fiber and some micronutrients. But deep inside the sweet potatoes, you still have the vitamin A, which is good for vision and eyesight. And also, it's good for the immune system, so it helps prevent you from getting sick. So that's always an added plus. That's if you do peel off the skin.
So it really depends on you. If you leave the skin on, most people do it for sauteing and baking. However, if you want a better texture for your foods, you can just peel the skin off and have a better texture that you want overall for your dish. So ultimately speaking, both options are great.
Yeah, so I guess it is to be and not to be, right?
Correct.
Okay. So we talked about a lot of things today. We talked about soaking the beans overnight and letting it rinse and dry off the next day and then simmering it down in a pot. And we also talked about the century-wide question, which was to peel the sweet potato or not to peel a sweet potato.
And on top of that, we talked about the nutritional value that both ingredients give us in our body. So at this point in time, you just want to make sure that you keep in mind the things that it does for you. They're good in fiber, they're good in vitamin A for stimulate better vision in people and as well as hair loss.
Yeah, I guess I have to peel. Not peel. Peel? Not peel?
Not peel.
Peel?
Not peel.
You can tell
if you won't.
Okay, I'll peel. See you guys next time,
Have
okay?
a great one. Thank y'all for hanging out with us.
Take it easy.